Yo, 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 beautiful people, it's your boy David, as promised with the naked skins from Slickwraps for the iPhone 11 Pro. Now, I'm about to go on a bit of a rant, so if you're here particularly for the install or my thoughts on Slickwraps themselves, make sure to check the description and the timestamps. Now, I feel like I should give a slight backstory. I personally have been using them since the iPhone 5. iPhone 4, Apple gave a free bumper at the time because of their antenna gate, so I never had it for that one. But for 5 I did and onward. Basically throughout that, sure, I had different cases. My go-to has always been the skins. Two main reasons. First is, I get it, it's minimal protection, but nonetheless it is protection, especially with the glass backs. You're getting that slight bit of protection that I like. Now I'd say that's about 20% of the reason why I would use it. The other 80 is simply because of the grip it offers. Now I get it, that's exactly what a case does, but a case ain't this thin. And that's why I love it. And the main reason why I also get the naked ones, the clear ones, because Apple created such a beautiful phone, or even if you have a Samsung, whatever you have, it's you got it because you like it. And the aesthetics are, I believe, are a huge part of your phone and why you got it. You're just gonna slap a case on it and just, I mean, that's it. Like that's all that designing millions of dollars and just gone to waste on a, $30 case. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump into the install. But before that, I need to take off this already installed clear skin. I've got the gloss version on now. We'll be installing the matte next. First thing I do want to say before we start with the install is with the gloss, because the phone itself is matte, when you install the gloss skin, it completely gets rid of the matte finish, and it also gets rid of the gloss logo. Let's go ahead and take this skin off. All right, so I've removed the skin and you can see that there is no residue left, which is really nice. Sometimes when you remove a skin, it leaves back some of the gooey stickiness. Not gonna have a problem with the Slickwraps, so that's really good to know. Gloss skin, it's got the formula in here if we end up using that. It does not have a formula included. You can see that they give some stickers, some cleaning wipes, and they also included a screen protector. Oh, look at that. Mine came fully shattered. Look at that. So, not using that. Let's go ahead and use round 1 swipes. I only bought 1 of these and I received 2, which is really nice. Looking at them closer, I also noticed this one's much more closer of a cut. This one's more forgiving. Alright guys, so when you get to the edges, I recommend putting your finger right here like this, and then using the blow dryer to blow dry the edge of it so that the material itself loosens up. Alright guys, that was the install. If you have any questions, shoot a comment below. I've been installing these things forever now. So, the gloss material does need a spray bottle to come with it to help assist in the install. Matte does not, as you just witnessed. It actually is very, very easy to install. But I have some thoughts on the matte finish. Now that I have it and it's installed, I'm gonna come out and say it. I don't like it. The reason why is that main reason for doing a skin, the grip is not there. So the gloss does come with a grip. The matte is not. It feels exactly the same as it would if the skin wasn't there. So I really think this matte is just strictly there for protection. The gloss, on the other hand, I really like it. I highly recommend it over the two. Keep in mind, they do give a different look. All right, guys, there you have it. If you have any other questions, like I said, shoot a comment below. Like always, don't be shy to subscribe. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And hit that like button while you're at it. All right, guys, see you in the next one.